Helperbird's voice typing is now even better because you can now do text-to-speech and text-to-math with proper math notation. When you have the voice typing feature open in Helperbird, go to the options, find math mode with the pi symbol, click, and when you see a green check mark, that means math mode is enabled. Now you can speak equations the way you read them, and Helperbird converts your speech into proper math notation. Let's give it a try. X squared plus 3y. There you go. Click the same icon to stop. You can, of course, copy and paste into any website, just like normal. Let's demonstrate it one more time. With math mode enabled, click the microphone icon to start speaking. Pi multiplied by 3.14. And there you have it, Helperbird's math mode in voice typing.